Hi, are you considering selling your house and downsizing or moving to senior living in the near future? I'd like to invite you to get a free copy of my book, Stress-Free Home Downsizing, a senior's guide to selling your house and simplifying your life. In the book, I go into information such as, is it time to begin downsizing? Topics like the professionals who help you move out of your house, such as home caregivers, senior move managers, senior placement agents, estate sale and auction professionals, and elder care and estate attorneys, as well as we go into the subject of professionals that help you move into senior communities, such as senior community managers, medical social workers, hospital ombudsmen, and how to pay for care that you or your loved one deserves. And then we talk about the how to deal with the real estate itself, such as turning downsizing into a delight almost, a reality check before selling a house, the options for selling a house, finding the right real estate professional for your unique situation, and how we can assist you with that. So to get your free copy of the Stress-Free Home Downsizing book, just go to homedownsizing and you can request one there. If we can help, please let us know. Thank you.